25R, turning the parking brake off, brake, it's going to low gear here, gonna lift the bucket up, and we're gonna get on our way. Had this thing warming up for about 5-10 minutes out here. Barely fits under the garage door, but it does, so that's good. Out we go. Let's get to work. Objective, clear to horizontal leg tank. Objective, clear to pallets in front of the tractor. Well, guys, I didn't realize till I was in the house editing that that last clip cut out on me, so we're gonna wrap it up right here. The 1025R did a pretty good job in the backyard, moving that snow around for us. It was a little bit tricky because it was like a full season's worth of snow back there. Granted, a lot of it's melted down, then froze, then melted, snowed, froze, all that. So it was a really tough job for a tractor without a ballast box. But we do have a ballast box on it right now. I'm gonna give you a little bit of a sneak peek into a future video here. Oh, there, that's all I'm gonna show you. We got a ballast box on it, and I built it. I'm pretty proud of it. It turned out pretty nice. I did film some of it, didn't film all of it because I didn't know if you guys would really want to watch me struggle through building a ballast box for my first time, but I did, and I filmed some of it, so that'll be in an upcoming video. I hope you guys will stick around for that. But I want to give you guys a little bit of a just kind of fill you guys in on what we've been up to here. So you saw me bring that horizontal leg tank up. That is our tank that goes in the bed of our truck. So we're gonna get started building a frame for that. I still haven't got to that yet. I decided to put the ballast box in front of that. So the next project will be that frame. So we'll be filming that. I probably will film most of that for you guys so you can see how that works. Then we're gonna get it set up with a tube like I was talking about when we were in the tractor, so that way we can fill it. I'll set that up. And then here is our new to us sprayer that I picked up the other day. This is an Exmark Lean to Steer. It's got a 20-gallon tank, holds like 3 bags in the hopper, so not bad. It's got 334 hours on it. It's got a little Subaru motor in it that runs like a champ. I still got to get it cleaned up, but it looks like it's in fairly decent shape. That is our Toro Spraymaster back there. I bought that when I started my own business. I actually started on one of these, which is kind of cool. But back to the Spraymaster, that's for sale. I'm working on getting out of some debt with that because we just bought this tractor. So pretty hefty payment on that. Nothing that we can't manage. I mean, I'm in no hurry to sell it, but hopefully we can get rid of that thing soon. We're just kind of, I paid cash for the Lean to Steer. It's always best if you can pay cash, in my opinion, but we're gonna get rid of the Spraymaster. Hopefully this thing sells too, because I need to finish my basement. Got another little one on the way, so I need an extra bedroom finished off in my house. So if anyone is interested in either of those items, you can hit me up. Let me know if you're interested, and I can get you prices for that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna wrap it up right here. I've already rambled on for way too long. Hit that like button, subscribe down below, and ding the notification bell. I almost forgot, but we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. God bless.